Seeking excellence in teaching is a lifelong process.
This workshop, I think, provides a lot of cutting-edge knowledge, a lot of innovations in the teaching, in the pedagogy, and in the topic we teach.
I've been learning a lot of great new techniques on how to engage our students.
This is a very international conference, as it should be for international pedagogy. We have junior through to senior scholars coming from all over the world with lots of different experiences. Some of the more senior scholars have worked in many countries and we're able to share a lot of insights. I'm learning a lot and I've been in this business for a long time, so it's been really, so far, very thought-provoking and very interesting.
And I look forward to seeing many more of my colleagues here at future cyber sessions.